Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. Today in this video I am going to show you a quick demo of our upcoming software named Social Profit app. So basically it is a web-based app and fairly easy to use and easy to operate. With this app you can easily create high quality clickable images and can promote your offers on social media. You don't need any website or you don't need to hire any designers. So let's just have a quick glimpse of our software. Alright, so once you log into Social Profit app, this is your dashboard. I will talk more about it later. Let me first show you the very first step which you have to do to create campaigns on Social Profit app. To connect your Facebook account with Social Profit app, you have to go to app setting. Our app is officially verified with Facebook developer, so all you need to do is just click this button and your Facebook account will be connected, and you will see all your Facebook fan pages will be imported here. Alright, another thing you need to do is go to general setting option, and with our app you can search and use copyright free images from two biggest image searching network, Flickr and Pixabay. To do so, you have to connect your Flickr and Pixabay account API key with Social Profit app. And you don't need to worry about these steps because this is very easy, and in our training we are going to provide step by step over the shoulder videos on it. So once you have set up everything, you can now create campaigns with Social Profit app. To do so, just click on create campaign. You have to give a name to your campaign, and here you can see default images which are imported from Flickr and Pixabay. From here you can search images with your keyword or can upload your very own images by clicking here. So let's say I want to promote an offer on Facebook, and here let me tell you one thing, not only offers, with Social Profit app you can promote anything like web pages, links, CPA or affiliate products, reviews, or maybe a YouTube video link, anything on Facebook. Let's say I have an offer on Starbucks coffee and I want to promote this page. So audience will land on this page and will click on my affiliate link. So all I need to do is first search some relevant and high quality images on Social Profit app. Here I am entering the keyword, and once you click on the search button, you can see all these images related to my keyword are imported here, and these images are absolutely copyright free and ready to use. You can choose any of them as per your choice. Like let's say I am choosing this one, and once you click on configure button, it will redirect you to the editing page from where you can edit and customize your selected image. Here you are going to get a tons of options so that you can play with them and make your image more attractive and eye-catching. Social Profit app is going to provide you a lot of high quality graphical elements such as graphics, which includes cartoons, emojis, flags, icons, socials, sports, stickers, etc. Or you can simply upload your very own graphics. You will also get various figures and shapes which are in SVG format so that you can resize them and can customize them, like changing their colors, etc. And you can also add text over your images. You will get a lot of stylish text templates. So all you need is to choose one among these and edit the default text with your own. And lastly, the most beautiful feature of our app, that we are going to provide you ready to use templates on various niche. You can select your desired one from these 100 inbuilt templates we are providing along with our software. Once I click on it, the template is applied on my selected image. So now you can easily edit this default template, like you can change the text, colors or other elements, etc. Alright, so our final image is ready, and now we can either save it for later use or can proceed to the next step by clicking continue button. So you can see how easily and quickly I can create a promo image to promote my offer. You don't need any Photoshop skill, or you don't need to hire designers, or don't need to buy stock images. With Social Profit app, you can manage this all with just few clicks. And also, before post your image on Facebook, you can apply various filter effect on your created image to make it more attractive. And once you have done, just click on configure publish button. So our image is ready. And now we have to create content for our image. Without a perfect content, if we just post a single image, that won't be that much effective. And that being said, here we are going to provide all the features by which you can create powerful contents for your image. Let me show you. Like I said, I want to promote this offer or page. So I am just copy the URL and pasting it here. And also I am copying the title of my offer and again paste it here in the title field. In post description, you can either write down your own post description, or we have an inbuilt search engine for post description, and you can use that by clicking on this tiny icon and entering your desired keywords. You can instantly search and import relevant post description. You can see all these post descriptions are copyright free, and you can pick any of them and can edit the default description. And also you can change the default language of the post description with just one click. Here we embed all the major languages like French, or say Spanish, or maybe Japanese, whatever language you want. So no matter you are from which location or you are promoting on which country, if you have Social Profit app, you can easily change the language of your post as per your choice. And another powerful feature of our app is to search relevant hashtags for our offers. As you know, hashtags are an important and viral traffic pulling element, and with our app you can just search related hashtags by searching them with keywords and can use them on your post. You can see all of these hashtags are related to Starbucks, and you can pick multiple hashtags and can apply them on your post. And not only that, you can also add your own hashtags by writing down here. Okay, now we have done everything, and finally we have to set up the sharing option to publish our post. And here we can either post immediately or can schedule a post for future publish. So let me post this image on one of my Facebook fan page. Let's say I want to publish my post on this page, diet tracker. So I am just selecting it and clicking on post to Facebook button, and you can see my post is published already. So let's check on Facebook. Here is my page, diet tracker, and you can see, yeah, this is my post published just now with all the descriptions and hashtags. And here is our customized image, and this is absolutely clickable. When I click on this image, it will redirect to my offer page. And you can also find your draft and schedule campaign here. Alright, now let me show you one last thing, the dashboard of Social Profit app. With this interactive dashboard, you can see the current analytic report of your running campaigns, like total hits, campaigns, posts, Facebook post history, etc. And you can also view the location from where your traffics are coming. So definitely this feature is very useful to monitoring your campaigns. And not only that, you will also get this training, update and support links here From here you can access all our training videos, or can upgrade our software, or if you have any technical issues regarding our software, then you can raise a support ticket through this link. Alright, so that's all for now. This is all about our upcoming Software Social Profit app. Thank you once again for being with me. See you soon. Goodbye.